Welcome to Texas Trade Days LLC Vendor Learning Series. I'm Kristen and I'll be walking you through how to merge, unpublish, and delete a Facebook business page. So if anytime you decide that you want to start over or you want to change things up a bit, or you changed your business name but it's not similar enough to the old business name where Facebook will allow you to merge or change the name on, that these features can help you just kind of start over. Don't want to clutter up your Facebook account by having a lot of outdated and inactive Facebook business pages. So these things can help you change things that are similar, help your business grow, and then get rid of the things that you just don't need anymore regarding your Facebook business page. So to access some of these menus and actions, you'll go over to the settings menu, and we're going to go over unpublishing your Facebook business page first. It's at the very top of the general menu under settings for your business page, and you just go ahead and click edit. And then see there's a little question mark right next to page unpublished. Hover over that and you'll get a message pop up. For page visibility, this publishing your page makes it visible to the public. If you check unpublish, it will only be seen by people with a role on the page. If you want to learn more details, of course, feel free to click the learn more before you proceed with unpublishing your page. A lot of times people like to unpublish a page because they want to work on it. They got some rearranging to do. They want to add and delete photos out of albums and, kind of clean up their activity log, things like that. Do some rebranding. A lot of those actions, especially when you're posting to Facebook, even on your page, your business page, they will trigger notifications to your followers and to those that have liked your page, or you'll see an excessive amount of things show up in your news feed, and a lot of times it's nothing that you really care about. It's nothing that you really need to see as a follower or a fan of the page. And so what happens is when somebody's news feed gets flooded with a bunch of unnecessary information, they start unfollowing pages. Sometimes people will outright unlike a page, and so your like counts will drop. But it's one of the biggest things about why people unfollow pages, even though they may still like them. So this is one thing that can help you keep those numbers in check. So you can unpublish the page while you work on it. So nobody's going to be getting the flooded news feeds with all of your unnecessary posts and business posts and things. They're not going to be getting notifications. So if you have a slew of events that you want to set up, a lot of people will be getting a lot of notifications. So if you want to unpublish your page to set those events up, then you can do that. If you have a lot of business information changes, a lot of times those trigger automatic posts that are on your business page's timeline or wall, but they end up showing up in your news feeds for your likes and followers. And so you don't want any of that to happen, especially if you're doing too much at once. So unpublishing the page, taking care of those issues, and then when you're done and settled with them, publish that page again, and that's exactly what this feature is used for. So you can click Save Changes and automatically unpublish. So it will pop up this message window, making sure that you are absolutely sure you want to unpublish the page, because what's the point of having a page if you don't have it published, right? So Facebook wants to know. It says, please share your reason for unpublishing this page. Your feedback will help us improve pages on Facebook. So by default, the first selection is selected. The page isn't finished yet. The second selection is the business, brand, or organization is no longer active. The third selection is I accidentally created the page. And the fourth selection is I didn't get enough value from the page, which I hope that our Facebook business page videos for our vendor learning series has helped you get more value out of the page and see the value of having a Facebook business page as well. And then, of course, you have other. So when you click other, just like anything else, you have a text box that you can submit your comments. So you can say, I expected the experience to be different, or, it's too complicated to use. Whatever you want, you can submit that to them. And then so it says down below, when you unpublish a page, it is not visible on Facebook or in search. So are you sure you want to unpublish this page? And of course, yes, I want to. So then it goes on and it says your page is now unpublished. Republish your page soon to connect with your audience on Facebook. So pretty much what they're saying right there is don't forget about it. So the page automatically refreshes. And you'll see that it stays unpublished. Save changes is no longer active. It's not highlighted in dark blue anymore. You can't click on it. But you can click on cancel, but it'll still stay unpublished. If you want to republish your page, select that page published, and then you see the save changes highlighted in dark blue again. Just click save changes, it refreshes, and then you see over at page visibility, page published. It's as simple as that. And it's a great way to save your followers and fans' news feed and to kind of help keep those numbers in check. Make sure that you don't have too little followers versus the likes, as you want as many followers as possible, because that's when you know that your post and your activities showing in their news feed, and that's what you want. Okay, so there is, if you scroll down, we're still under general, under settings, page settings. So under general, we can go over to merge duplicate pages. Duplicate is the key word here. So duplicate means that if you have, just like it says here, if you're managing pages that have similar names and represent the same thing, or things that are extremely similar with each other, but you have two different pages, like, you just wanted to change a few things, but for some reason you couldn't get to the other page, or, I don't really know. So it's just kind of, things like that it's like, you just want to combine the two pages. You could be tired. You could be running two pages for two different things. So let's say you run ABC Co. in California, and yet you have ABC Co. New York. No, something like that, and they sell the same things, just one's on the West Coast, the other's on the East Coast. They sell the same things, but the names are similar, and the only thing that's different is, California versus New York. Then you can merge those two pages. So if you need more information about merging pages, click Learn More. And it'll take you over to Facebook's help section for you to learn more details about merging pages. So let's click on Merge Duplicate Pages right now. So you have to type in your password for your account. And once you get past the security feature, you're taken to this page as Request to Merge Duplicate Pages. Facebook reviews merges, just like they review name changes. It says to make it easier for people to find you on Facebook and in search, you can request to merge duplicate pages. So what you'll do is you'll choose the two pages you like to merge. So we could have ABC Co. California, and then move over and type in ABC Co. New York. Okay? Now, these aren't real pages, so I'm not going to submit this to Facebook, but I'm just letting you know how you would do that. So things to remember. You can only request a merge if you're an admin for both pages. The pages you merge must represent the same thing and have similar names. If you try to merge pages that aren't similar, the pages may be permanently unpublished. Merging pages can't be undone once you've started the process. People who like the duplicate page will be informed of the merge, and this may take a few days to complete. Content from the merged page, such as posts, photos, and the username, will be deleted during the merge. Then they have a link here, learn how to download and save your page content. You can click on that, it'll take you to a different page. You can get more details about that. The likes and check-ins from both pages will be combined and shown on the remaining page. So once you have entered in both company page A and page AB, you can then submit continue. So it's not going to do anything for us because we're not merging any pages. So you would just follow the process as Facebook prompts you when you go to do the merge duplicate pages feature. So now we're going to go back. Let's get out of this. All right, so we're back on our page, and we're going to verify it's the right page. Okay, we're on the right page. We're going to go to its page settings again, and it puts us under the General tab, and we're going to scroll all the way down. And below Merge Pages, well, let me say just above it, Download Page is where you could download copy of your page's posts, photos, videos, and page info before you go to merge. You can also do this before you go to delete your page too. So we're going to move over to the remove page. We're going to actually remove this page because it was for training only. We won't be using it in the future. The rest of it I can show on our main page. So what we do is we go to the remove page option here, and then you'll see delete your page. You can just click on it, and then there's a link here that says permanently delete TXTD vendor learning series, and so I'm going to click on it. Menu pops up, or a message pops up. It says once you delete a page, you will not be able to get it back. If you think you'll want to come back to your page in the future, you can unpublish it instead of deleting it. Are you sure you want to delete your page? Yes, I am. So I want to show you how this process works, and it's usually pretty quick. Click delete, and there it is. It is as simple as that. Your page is now permanently deleted. So you always want to make sure that you do not just rush through this. So if you want to download your page, or you want to merge your pages, or just unpublish your pages, make sure you are not on the remove page, because it happens so quickly compared to the other step with merging that once it's gone, and then you would have to start over. Just click OK, and there it goes. It takes you back to your page list for your personal account. So we're going to go to our main account. And then ta-da, that's it. No more new page. That's as easy as it all gets. So again, I'm glad this video can help any of you. So if you want to, start over your page after you've gone through the Facebook business page series of videos with our vendor learning series, you're more than welcome to do so. Sometimes you can just tweak a few things on the current page you have, but nothing beats a clean slate sometimes. So we hope deleting, merging, and the unpublishing will give you the tools that you need to accomplish a little bit more when it comes to rearranging and setting up or adjusting your current Facebook page. Or if you've got so in the weeds with a new page, you can just delete it and start over. So our videos are designed to help you. You can reduce the size. You can put the video link in on one web browser window. You can pull up Facebook on another web browser window, reduce the size, and have them side by side with our videos. And then you can work through Facebook business page and setups and the events and the shop, everything we've talked about in our series here, as you go through it yourself. So you can feel free to pause and play and replay what parts you need. You can easily scroll through that. All these videos are on YouTube, so you have the full functions of the convenience of YouTube features when viewing videos. So if you have any takeaways that you feel really help you in your business, and this video or any of the other videos in our Facebook business business page series, feel free to drop those down into the comments below underneath this video. If you're on YouTube, then let us know what your takeaways are for this video topic specifically. So we hope that this helps you and it serves you well. Thank you very much.